In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure my social account with Hootsuite. Today we are going to connect a social media account to Hootsuite so you can manage posts, monitor activity, and keep everything organized in one place. As you follow along, just watch the screen closely and follow the same buttons and options you see. To begin, you will click your profile image icon in the bottom left corner. This icon is usually easy to spot, and it opens the main menu for your Hootsuite settings. Take a moment here to locate that icon before clicking, since it is the doorway to the social account connection options. Once you click it, the menu should appear, and you should see several categories related to your account and workspace. Next, you will click Social Accounts and Teams from the menu. This section is where Hootsuite lets you manage which social networks are linked to your organization. It matters because connecting accounts through this area ensures everything is properly associated with the correct team workspace. After you select Social Accounts and Teams, the page will typically show your current connected integrations or an option to add more. Now you will click the plus or the add icon next to your organization name. This tells Hootsuite that you want to create a new connection for a social network. If you have multiple organizations or teams, the plus button near the correct organization is important because it determines where the account will be connected. Click the plus icon and allow a moment for the connection options to load. After that, you will click Connect Social Accounts. This step starts the guided process for linking your profile. Think of it as moving from the general settings area into the specific setup flow. You should see a list of supported social networks or a selection panel that allows you to choose which platform you want to connect. Now you will select the specific social network platform you want to link. This could be the platform you use most often for posting and engagement, such as a social media account for business or community updates. Make sure you choose the correct platform because the next screen will be tailored to that network. Look carefully at the options shown on your screen and select the one that matches the account you want to manage in Hootsuite. Once you choose the platform, Hootsuite will prompt you to enter your login credentials in a secure window. This is a normal and expected part of the process, since Hootsuite needs to verify that you have access to the account you are connecting. In this step, you will enter the information only in the secure window that appears during the connection flow. After you have provided the required details, you will approve the requested permissions. Approving permissions is an important final check. It allows Hootsuite to perform actions for the connected account, such as publishing or managing social content, depending on what the permission request allows. Read the permission request carefully and confirm what you are agreeing to. After you approve, the connection process should finish, and you should see the social account listed as connected in the Social Accounts and Teams area. At this point, your social account is connected and ready to use with Hootsuite. If you do not see it immediately, refresh the page or wait a moment for the connection to finalize, since sometimes it takes a short time to sync. When it appears, you can be confident that Hootsuite is set up to manage that platform according to your permissions. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.